Hey guys, it's Allison. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am talking about resolutions. 2019 hit us hard. I feel like 2018 was the shortest year of my life. It went by so fast. So obviously I didn't get to achieving any of my resolutions. So this year I have made it known, and I'm making it known right now to the universe of the tube, that I am wanting a healthier lifestyle in 2019, as do a lot of folks out there, but I am going to really commit this year. I have gained a lot of weight in the past couple years, and I just need to just do it, just get it over with, change my habits, change my lifestyle. I am gonna go keto. We'll see how long, no, we won't see how long that lasts. It's gonna last because I'm gonna commit. I have just started. I'm not even a week in, but I will keep you guys updated. So a few things when I was going keto. I did a lot of research. I bought some books. I watched some YouTube videos. Just kind of browsed the internet for what it is, how I do it, how to stay on it. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. It's very popular. I am personally doing it because I want to get in a habit. I don't eat very consistently. I snack a lot. I eat really late. Something else that I'm also incorporating is fasting. So I don't eat after 6 p.m. and I don't eat until like 11:30-ish, 11, depending when I get hungry. So here's my day-to-day. First, I wake up at, or I have been since I started my new healthy lifestyle, I wake up at like 6:15, 6:30 and make sure that I'm in the gym by 7, work out for like about an hour. I've just been doing cardio and just like sweating. I'll get ready for work and then I'll head on over to work and I'll make my bulletproof coffee here. So if you guys don't know what bulletproof coffee is, I'll leave a little recipe or link to recipe or whatever I feel like down below. Then I eat around 11:30 and I make this like chia pudding bowl that I got from Shayla and Katie, their keto video. I binge watch their keto videos. So I've actually been packing my dinner to work. So I'll eat my dinner at like 5:30, 6. It's about that time, so I'm pretty hungry. And then I won't eat. I'll go home and I'll head to bed. I'll just like chill, read a book, which is another resolution, reading more, and watch some Netflix and then go to bed. I've been trying to go to bed by like 9:30, but depending on the show and how intense it is, maybe I'll stay up later. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I have for a routine. That was a resolution of mine, was to get into a routine. I don't really have a routine, and I felt that going on one of these diets that's very strict will get me into a habitual routine, which, I mean, I'm doing fine so far. We'll see. I'm really excited to start this new journey, and I'm gonna need your help. If any of you guys are on keto, please leave me your tips and tricks down below. It's gonna be tough because I have gotten comfortable eating whatever the heck I want, and it's not good. Other resolutions I have, like I said, I wanna read more. I want to read on the subway. I want to read while I'm working out. I want to read when I get home at night. Those are the 3 times that I can crack open a book. And then my other one is just along the lines of a healthy lifestyle, is working out every morning. Morning, because if I put it off till night, I won't do it. So I want to wake up, be a morning person, which I'm not, and just get my booty out the door and work out, because I need to get in shape. I appreciate my body, it's a wonderful thing, but I really need to get back in shape. Anyway, that is my 2019 resolution, is to live a healthy, happy life. And it's my life goal, is to be healthy and treat my body not like a dumpster. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and until, I was cracking my knuckles, sorry if you could hear that. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon.